shaking in my boots, y'all. Shaking in my boots. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. If y'all want to see how I achieved this Valentine's Day eyeshadow look, then keep on watching. And for today's eyeshadow look, I'm going to be going in with the majority of the Morphe by James Charles palette. But again, I will just, you know, slowly but surely go in with some of the colors and show y'all what the colors are. And tell y'all what the colors are. Alright, so first I'm going to start off by carving out my eyebrows to achieve this look. I feel like it's best to do it that way because eyebrows will take 5 seconds once they're carved out. So to carve out my eyebrows, I'm going to go in with the Sephora Best Skin Ever Concealer. And this is in 31Y. This is just to carve out my brows and have something on my lid before I go in with my eyeshadow. Just to give it a little color. And also as like a little primer. And I'm just gonna blend this out. And that concealer being on my lid is acting towards my eyeshadow primer. And I'm gonna set my concealer with some translucent powder from Morphe. And just press that in and blend it out. Now our eyes are concealed and set with setting powder. Now I'm going to go in with my first shade, which is my transition shade. I haven't decided if I want to make this a super pinky look or if I just wanted to do a cut crease with, or a halo eye. Now on a fluffy brush, I'm going to go in with like a burgundy shade and I'm going to put that in my crease. So this is targeted directly into my crease, okay? Like, I'm not taking it up any higher. I want it right there. You see it. And I'm going to stop halfway. I'm not taking it all the way. But this is just to give some definition in this crease. Now on a different clean brush, I'm going in with like a pink shade that looks like this. Blending out the burgundy shade. Just putting it right on top. Not diffusing it, but still giving it some character. We're just gonna blend that out. And you're just getting this to the color you want. I'm going for a blown out plum-ish purple. So I'm just blending that out. Okay, so this is where we're at. Now I'm going back in with that first shade and I'm just deepening up my crease again. Because technically we blended it out, so I'm just going back in. Do we see how we deepen that up compared to this eye? So this is the deepened up eye, this is not. All right, now I'm going back in with that concealer shade on a completely different brush. Use a flat brush. Just going in. Mind you, because I put it on the back of my hand for my eyebrows. And I'm just going to, I guess, make a cut crease, but not a cut crease. A soft cut crease. So I'm gonna go in the shape of my eye, but not define it. Looking like that. Do the other side. I'm gonna blend out those edges with my finger. Like that. And on a different brush, I'm just gonna go in with this light pink shade and tap that onto that cut crease. We see the vibe. We see the vibe. All right, and going back in with that outer shade for my crease, I'm gonna go back in to still intensify that. Just gently though. My eyes are here, and I don't want to do this to myself, but I think I might have to go in with a little liner. Y'all, this right here can make or break your eyeshadow, and I hate to say it, and I hate to be the one doing it. But I'm not doing a wing, but I'm just going on top of my lash line. I'm scared. I hate this part. Shaking in my boots, y'all. Shaking in my boots. All right, just like that. Hopefully we can do it on the other side. Fingers crossed. Because this is once in a lifetime right here, baby. Once in a lifetime. All right, I added my lashes and put on my black eyeliner. Now I'm going to smoke out my bottom lashes. You guys, this is one of the, this will tie the look together, okay? And last but not least, I'm going to go in with my mascara and put mascara on my bottom lashes to tie this look together. I feel like this is it. Like, is this too harsh? Like, do we want a softer makeup look? Like, let me know, because I can definitely give it to you. I haven't been in my eyeshadow bag in a long time. Now, I done gave y'all a soft cut crease. It ain't nothing soft about it. All right, and the eyes are done. This is the finished look. Yeah. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.